Okay, come on, gaming. I'm gonna do an unboxing of these Fuggler. They're cute, the boo-boos. I'll see what each one feels. This texture feels good. I'm gonna unbox these. Alright. About the bright yellow one first, and then the nice red one last, the velvet red last. Okay. So put this one up. I got this at the dollar store. They're $5 each in the boxes like this. Some of them are in surprise bags, but my local dollar store, it was sold out. Nothing you can do when something's sold out. It doesn't matter about the boxes because these are meant to be opened up. These boxes are meant to be opened, and it's the same thing for each side. This, I have that one. I have that one. I'll show it to you later. I already showed you those other ones, and I have this one. I'm trying to look for that other one. So yeah. Okay. I got this nice yellow one. That's the barcode. And here's a QR code you can scan right there. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. It doesn't work sometimes. Here it is. Let's open this up. I don't really care about this. There. I like it. It's cute. I like the yellow. Looks like a highlighter. It's awesome. And 2 button eyes. Look at that. The button on the butt. That's hilarious. I like that. Yeah, I like this. This is cute. Let's open up the other one. Yeah, and the boxes are pretty similar. I got 24 of these now, so I have half of the collection. Just have to get the other 20. But they're sold out of all the surprise bags. And they're almost sold out of these ones. It's a popular item. I can see why. It looks like little boo-boos, but they're cuter than the boo-boos. There it is. These are like the cousin. Alright, check this one out. There. Oh, I like how this one feels. I love the texture of this. They're all made of recycled bottles. Like, they took old water bottles and they melted them down and then recycled it out of that. And I like how this feels. I like how this feels. Looks like a skunk. I think it's a skunk. Yeah. Feels good. Alright. And let's open up the other one. This red one. This is PMI. It's a 6-up, 144. Another one. This is a red one. That's the QR code. This is the barcode. Another QR code. Morning. Another QR code. And JRC. Yeah. Spin Master. Spin Master is a Canadian company, but JRC, I think, is the original company that owns this. Put this up. And then I don't really care about these boxes. They're meant to be opened and looked at. I just wanted to show you 3 of these so far. They're all at the dollar store and they sell out fast. Some, I think, were. They're all sold out of the surprise bags of these. And they're almost sold out of these ones. A popular item, really from the UK. And there it is. Let's get this out. There. This one is, I like this one. This one's a stocky, and I like the texture of this one too. It's too bad it's not furry, but that's okay. But yeah, they're at the dollar store for $5 each, and yeah, this one is awesome. I like how it feels. Yeah. And the bottom, there's glue on all the bottom. I don't know why they did that in the factory. But oh well. Yeah, these are cute. I'm gonna have these in my room. These ones. Yeah. And I like how this one's a bright yellow. It's awesome. This one's like the smallest out of all of them. For like, you know, like stocky. This one's the most stockiest, and it's the heaviest. This one is lighter, and this one's the lightest. So yeah, these are all cute. You can get them at the dollar store for $5 each, or you can find them on Amazon or your local toy store. Well, just wanted to show you these, and that's all me for now. It's coming here showing off. Peace out, and I'm the cute cousin of the Boo Boo. I am a Fuggler. Hello, where? Hello, I'm like a highlighter of the same color yellow as a highlighter. Hello, I'll highlight your day. Woo! Yeah, I'm like a skunk. I'm the same color as a skunk. Hey, I can't spray anyone. There's a button on my butt. I can't spray anyone. Uh-oh.